Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today, I would like to speak about motivational talks. Everyday academics, everyday notification, everyday examinations. It's totally boring. Today, I need to motivate all the students who are all facing difficulties in their life. Many of the students are struggling with financial, with personal problems, plenty of problems are facing, especially our KSL students. First of all, we need to know difficulties are not permanent. Even your pain is not permanent, and your happy is also not permanent. Just I am giving one example. Earlier week, I had been to my native New Year. First day of New Year and second day of New Year, I have done lot of hard work in the field. Our agricultural lands are there. Many of the students are knowing I am doing agriculture along with this LLB education. So it was very difficult for me to do hard work 2 days continuously. That too morning 7 to evening 6. 2 days I have done lot of hard works. I've got muscle pain, I've got body pain, I've got too much of pain. So I was thinking that I'm getting very pain. I'm not unable to walk, unable to sit like that. It was happened. Just I was thinking just one line in Kannada. That too Bhagavad Gita word. ಈ ಸಮಯ ಕಳೆದು ಹೋಗುತ್ತದೆ means whether it could be good time or whether it could be bad time, that is not at all permanent, that will be go. So 2 days I have done lot of hard works. Then after 2 days also I got pain, muscle pains, body pain, every got a pain. Then after I got relief. Now I am perfectly okay. Just this is I am giving one example. So in your life, problems are not permanent, my dear friends. Today you are very happy, and tomorrow again you will get unhappy. Day after tomorrow again you will get happy, and again that day after tomorrow you will get unhappy. This is our life. We need not to worry about it, whether it could be happy or whether it could be unhappy. All things are your state of mind. If you think difficulties, it's a huge weight, definitely you will get overweighted. If you think difficulties not permanent, that will be go off. Definitely difficulties will move. Why I am speaking all these words means we have struggled a lot for LLB examinations due to pandemic, due to COVID-19. We were unable to study our examinations. 3 years LLB got promoted and 5 years LLB not get promoted. Discriminations happened by the university. So this is not permanent. It will be go off. Again, we cannot say there will be Karnataka State Law University will be conduct for 3 years LLB also. We not knowing. So that is the reason I'm telling you always, please be always flexible. You should always flexible. What will comes, we need to face it. Today difficult, tomorrow will get easy. And whenever we getting success, everything will be there. Even failure also there. There are so many struggles, so many obstacles. Then after that only we'll get success. So according to my view, we need to take happy or unhappy in the same manner so that you won't get any stress. You are always stress free. So we need to find the solutions for the problems. If we unable to find out the problems, definitely our life will be in trouble. If trouble comes, we need to identify the solutions, how to solve the trouble. So that is we need to learn from the life. This is called art of living. So how it will come? You should engage your good habits. You need to meditate yourself. Please engage with yoga. Please engage with your studies. So if you make adopt good habits in your life, definitely you can lead a very peaceful and happy life. So my advice is to all here, problems are not permanent. Anyhow, you are studying LLB course, so ups and down will be there. Many of the students have been paid, many of the students have been passed. It doesn't mean that they have succeeded in their life. You need to do a lot of things in your life. Life is not, you know, stop it. There is no stoppage for life. You need to continuously you have to grow. So after completion of your course also, you will have to stand on your profession successfully. So you need to earn so much of money. So money also is required for your livelihoods. That is also very important. Among along with that, even your growth also is very important. So my advice is here too, life is not permanent. Your problems are not permanent. Your happy moments also not permanent. Today you are happy and tomorrow you will be in sorrow. That is the life. So that is the reason you can go any kind of examples. Even if you talk with world rich man, you can talk with him also. You will not be happy always. One day you will be happy, and one day you will be in unhappy. So this is the universal truth. We need to learn. So how to act, how to react, we should know. So how to solve your problems, how to face all the difficulties in your life. Motivation is required. You are the motivator for yourself. You are the creator and you are the destroyer of your own destiny. So today I am here with talk so many things. Why? Because Whatever I'm speaking, all of my own experience. Many of the times I have been struggled a lot. Many of the times I was very happy. So when I was comparing happy and unhappy the situations, I came to know that I learned from Bhagavad Gita that nothing is permanent in our life. Even your sorrow and even your happy moments. So that is the reason I am always advising to all our KSL students, if you would like to be success in your life, you have to take in a same manner of your problems and for your happiness. Then only you will be a successful person and you will be the winner of your life. So I hope this video have been clarified, whether it could be negative situation, whether it could be positive situation, we have to be calm. We have to be tackle both the situations. So Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was always telling that who can manage the failure, he will be the successful person. Anybody can manage their success, but only few people can handle their failures. So that is the reason, whether it could be failure or whether it could be success, we should be treat in a same manner. So I hope this video given clarity about how to manage your situations in your day-to-day life, whether it could be professional life, whether it could be your education life, whether it could be any kind of your life. Please do subscribe my channel Anil Kumar Ketty so that you will notified very good videos for your academics, for your LLB examinations, and for your KSLE notifications and motivational talks like this. Thank you.